So in this session, let's start with what is a public cloud. So public cloud or external cloud is one based on the usual mainstream model in which service provider makes resources such as storage and applications obtainable to the general public over the internet or through web applications or web services. Okay, and it may be public cloud service or free or offered on a pay-as-you-go model. In public cloud hardware, applications and bandwidth costs are covered by the service provider, so it is easy and inexpensive setup to the user. Using pay-as-you-go model, it may save resources from wasting. So IBM's Blue Cloud, Sun Cloud, Google App Engine, Windows Azure Service Platform, Amazon Elastic Cloud Computing are good examples of public cloud. And this is how the public cloud looks. There are some enterprises who may offer a compute and data and storage as a service. For example, let me take an example like let's take Amazon. Okay, so Amazon is providing you compute, database and storage, and those are all being given to the public cloud. They are offering as a public, whoever can access that resources. Okay, so enna pandranga enterprises, all the units has been launched in a public cloud and you people can access that services through the internet. It is being made as a public. Okay, so you may not aware of that, who have provided that compute, who have provided the database, who have provided that storage. You may not need to worry about it. It has been publicized, so you can easily access those resources. So it is in between the public and the enterprise that the cost effective and all those things, it has been in between the public and the enterprise. The enterprise, they will all provided their IT resources. They made it as a publicized and they made it as a public cloud, and user can access those resources without even knowing who has provided that resources. The only thing is some may be free and some you have to pay as you use. Okay, so this is what the funda of public cloud. And students, you may pause this video for a second and you please list down some of the public cloud services that you are using so far. Okay, you can pause this for 5 minutes and you can write it down, all those services. Okay, and for example, Google, Gmail is one public service. Okay, so likewise, similarly, you can write down all other services that you experience as a public. Now let us see some advantage of public cloud. So first, it offers a greater scalability. Its cost effectiveness helps you save money. It offers reliability, which means no single point of failure will interrupt your service. And services like SaaS, PaaS, IaaS are easily available on public cloud platform, as it can be accessed from anywhere through any internet enabled devices. Since SaaS has been open and PaaS and IaaS, they've given us a loop or closed price. Why? Because SaaS, most of the thing it is offered as free, open, you can use. Okay, but PaaS and IaaS, it is very much depend on the infrastructure, so you have to go with pay-as-you-go model when you are taking the PaaS and IaaS kind of service. And it is location independent. The services are available wherever the client is located. Okay, and some of the disadvantages also there for public cloud. It's no control over privacy or security and cannot be used for use of sensitive applications, and lacks complete flexibility as a platform depends on the platform provider. So your full depends on the provider. So you are not having any flexibility. You have to adapt as a providers. So no stringent protocols regarding data management. So these are all some of the advantage and disadvantage of a public cloud.